good afternoon, everybody, from a windy Deniliquin, but it's better than the rain we've had this last week. We got about 40 mils, and coming up at the end of this week, we're supposed to get another 60 to 80. But we're out here today. I'm out again with Dylan, and we're back at the channel where he caught his personal best carp. Worms, prawns, bread, corn, all kinds of bait. See how we go. Mr. Dylan's on the board. Didn't take him long. Only been here like 5 minutes. Oh, a decent sized carp. Not near as big as the last one he caught.
35?
Yeah, there we go.
Give or take.
So at least somebody's on the board. 1-0. Okay. Oh, yes, making a little run. Yeah, we got something here. Ah. I don't think he's real big. Oh, he's bigger than I thought he was. Oh, he's feisty. He's feisty. Yes. Good battle.
Oh, nice. Really? Got some teeth and stuff.
Oh, he's bigger than I thought. Yeah. He's over here in the grass. There we go. Come on, dude. There we go. Thank you, sir.
Oh, decent size.
Okay, there we go. Oh, it's still recording. There we are. So not bad. So he's probably about 60 centimeters or so.
I guess 60.
It's a lean, mean fighting machine. He's not fat, but he's lean and he was feisty. So that was good. Dylan's putting in a net. Try to catch some freshwater shrimp or some yabbies we can use for bait here in the last hour. And Dylan's on again. Oh, feisty one. There we go. So there we go. There's number 2 for Dylan. About 40 centimeters.
I reckon it'll be the same size as the other one.
So, yeah. So that's 2 decent sized carp. So he's up 2-1.
I had to break the tie again.
Yeah, little swallows just, I don't know if their nests are under the bridge, but flying on over top, underneath. Well, that's all my time for today. He got me again, 2-1. My only saving grace this time was I caught the biggest one, but yeah, so that's twice in a row though, so I owe him. We're gonna head back out to a different spot later in the week, so hopefully I can get him there. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. And until next time, keep fishing.